Our mission here at MK Air Base in Romania is to reassure our NATO allies and deter further aggression into Europe. The 426 BSB is critical because we provide everything from ammunition to fuel to medical support to field feeding to this entire BCT. Defense Logistics Agency provides our Class 1 bulk rations. In addition, they provide our petroleum through DLA Energy. DLA brings value to my mission by providing me parts and supplies in a timely manner. We can't resource it internal to our brigade right away, then it automatically goes to a DLA resource item. It's really critical that we do our job so that we can extend the operational reach of this unit. All the soldiers in this brigade are reliant on the BSB, and it's very important for us to deliver.